This is a demonstration of my coding ability uh, for my Sinatra project. What I'm going to do is attempt to code the 7 CRUD actions for my events controller. So I'm defining my controller now, letting it inherit from application controller. My first action is uh, loading the index page. And you need some data for that. So I go to my database using a instance variable. And I use the all method, event.all. And then I put it in a ERB template called events index. Okay, and that is that action. Next, I will let's see, I'll load the new page, the new form. So that's get events. Gotta learn to spell here. Let's see, get events new. And there's no data involved in that, so I just load the new template. And that is, whoops, no hash, no backslash there. Oh, I made a mistake up here too. Let me go up here and correct this. No backslash there either. Okay. That template is called events slash new. And that is that. So now let me see, I've got my index. Okay, I will get my show page now. That's get slash events. And you want a particular piece of data, you want to show a particular page, so you need an ID for that page. So get events slash ID. And you need to talk to your database, so that takes a it takes an instance variable. Event, at event, you set it equal to a particular event dot, or you want to use the find by active record method, and that's looking in the params hash for params ID. Then you want to put that in a template. And the name of that template is events/show. Then we want to, the fourth get action will be to get our edit template. And that action is called get events/ID/edit. And we'll want some data for that. So we have to go to our database, put it in an instance variable, and much like the show, loading the show page, it is event find by and you're looking in params again for params ID. And that takes a template. And that's events edit. Okay, let me think about this. Okay. Okay, that's our 4 get methods. Next, we'll create an event. That would be post events let me see, that's going to be, we're going to be redirecting off of this and not using a template, so we don't need an instance variable. So when we create an event, we're going to put it in event, and we're going to create it by calling the new method on params hash. Let me see. Okay, and we're going to attempt to save this new event. If it saves, we redirect to, let me see, I think I'll redirect to index. So that's events. And if it doesn't save, I want to redirect. Let me see, this is my create. If it doesn't save, I want to create redirect to my new method. So that redirect to events new. And finish out that if else statement. And finish out the action. Okay, that is my create action. And then I want to do create a to edit a event. So that would be patch. Let me see. That'd be, I need a particular event to edit, so that would be events ID. And let me see. So I need some data from my database. I put it in the event variable. Use my find by method from Active Record. Get my ID from the params hash. Now I'm going to I just found the particular event I want to edit. So now I give the method a chance to change the various attributes. Name equals params name. Okay, here's where I show my clumsiness. I want to make a bunch of these. Up, 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 up. Okay, that wasn't cool. That wasn't cool either. if I can do this now. Okay. Now I want to change these attributes. Let me see. Uh, this would be location. Let me look at my schema here for a second. Name, date, contact, email, and message. Okay. So, date. Contact email. Message. Okay, let's see what else we got. Name, date, contact, email, message. Organizer ID, location, start time. Organizer ID. Location. Start time. Okay, there's a few more, but this is just to give you a clue on my ability to code. So I'm not even going to bother with the rest. I've got to bring this to a close. So we'll say these are all of the attributes that can possibly be edited. They're not, but just for simplicity's sake, we'll say they are. And again, we're going to do the same thing as we did in the create method. We are going to see if it saves. And if it does, why is it doing that? If it does, we'll redirect. I think I want to take it to the show page for this particular event, and that would be events. We need the literal interpretation, interpolation. Hashtag event ID. I think that's what we need. Okay. And if it doesn't save, we want to redirect to the edit page. That's events slash hashtag event ID hashtag edit. Okay, that is if the save fails. And that is my my edit action. Let me see, I did a post, a patch, and okay, the only thing I need now is my delete action. Okay, and that is you're deleting a particular event. Oops. So, come on, get you're deleting a particular event, so you need to go to the database. So you need an ID for a particular event. And okay, this will be, so you get the event. Same way as we have the other times. Event, find by. Okay, let's see. ID, params ID. Okay, so we grab our event and we delete it. And we redirect. Where do we want to read? I think I'll redirect to the index action. Come on. And there's no if-then statement on this. It just deletes it. Oh, helps to spell redirect right. And those are my 7 CRUD actions. So there you go.